We're gonna do some walking in the Batuma area. We made it to the front of Suq Hamadiya and the Masjid al-Amawi, the Umayyad Masjid. We found the location for the furniture that we're gonna buy. We're gonna do some walking in the Batuma area with the boys. They look super excited. All right, let's go take a look. You're not excited?
I hate furniture.
Okay, Zach hates furniture. Come on, I'll give you an idea what it looks like to walk through these streets. Stopped to grab coffee there a few times. Super green, really nice. It's gonna be really busy because today's the day before Eid. Let's walk on this side. And it's skin, super hot. But I see like proximity of location is super important. That Beit Arabi, just walked out of the alleyway and we were right on the street for a lot of these shops and walking distance to the main Suq Hamadiya. Like I said, is hundreds of years old, about 250 years old. Got a little bit of a walk, but I'll start recording once we get closer. Just wanted to give you an idea of what the area looks like right outside the hotel. Did a pit stop, boys got some ice cream. Here's some more historic areas. Got a church on the right, a really nice restaurant also on the right called Naranj. We had dinner there. Do you want a croissant? Chocolate croissant? What about the cheese? The fresh croissant, they're really good. You want a chocolate? No hot dog, no hot dog. I got fresh lettuce. Everything's 5,000 liras, so around 60 cents. What do you want? Huh? Do you want a cheese croissant? No hot dog. All right, let's go, we'll come back. Chocolate croissant? We'll get it on the way back, come on. Like, is everybody waiting for bread? It's very busy today because it's right before Eid. So they put the bread out so it doesn't get too warm. Because if you leave it in the bag, it gets humid in there, makes the bread soggy. You're like, come on, because it's fresh. Come on, come on, come on. Yalla, Zach, walk ahead of me. See how busy it is? Chaotic. All right, we're getting close to Suq Hamadiya. I'm gonna stop the recording. We made it to the front of Suq Hamadiya and the Masjid al-Amawi, the Umayyad Masjid. You can see over here, it's the masjid, and then the main entrance into the Suq is right there. And good thing is we know exactly where we need to go for the furniture shop. Just gonna do a quick look into the masjid. Come on. Right. We'll come back later. All right, I'm gonna try to remember where this furniture shop is, and I'll start the video once I get there. All right, we found the location for the furniture that we're gonna buy. It's right in the entrance on here, right off the main entrance near Masjid al-Amawi and the main entrance into the Suq over there. We're gonna go in and check out some furniture. Again, this is for the renovated house. We're gonna go check it out and see what they have available. Yeah, 1 second. I like that mirror right there. Mother of pearl. That's what makes it really expensive. هلا كيفك؟ الحمد لله هلا الحمد لله. نشوف.
عجبك شيء من الشيء بعثت لك اياه؟
أنا وين كانت؟ هدول.
هدول حلوين.
يا هدول حلوين.
والمراية حلوة.
المراية كمان.
أنا صورت لك المراية اللي برا شفتها امبارح.
ايه شفتها.
وهي موديل ثاني وفي حجم أصغر إذا أنت ما بيناسبك الحجم الكبير أصغر حتجي سعرها أقل.
Okay.
حتى اللي وعدناك عليها كمان بكرمك مثلا.
Hello. So he's giving me an explanation that there's different sizes. The ones he showed me were larger, and he's gonna give me an options for some of the smaller ones. Super nice. Like, look at that intricate handwork, mother of pearl. What do you think, Zach? You like that chest set? Which one? That one? This one? I like that one too. All right, we're gonna take a look, see what we decide. I'll come right back and see what we negotiated. Okay, we're upstairs, taking a look. See this? This is all walnut wood, or rose, so it's really sturdy. That's the wood, but mother of pearl on the inside. It's showing us upstairs. Lots of different options. And we're taking a look at end tables. Mother of pearl. أي واحد عربي؟
هذا عربي اخي وهذا عربي الاثنين عربي.
Arabi. Show it. So the type of work he's saying, because the outside of it also has a trimming, is more detailed and more valuable versus this one. All right, we made a decision. So we're gonna go with this table. We're gonna put this in a living space. I love it because of the design and the mother of pearl. It's not too busy. It's just perfect. We'll put a glass top to keep it safe. But then the other element too, you guys know the color of my villa. It's a lighter wood. So he's gonna redo the shade to match it to its original wood color. So it will go back to a much lighter color. Beautiful, handmade. We finally give us a good price. It's gonna be about $1,300, but that includes shipping, right? And we're happy with it. I think that one's nice. This one I really like too. It's traditional Syrian design, old school. It's like an accent table. This one's a really good price. You know, he's asking that one 600 bucks, which is really, I mean, if this was in Dubai, I'd be paying about $1,400. Same thing over here. If I was trying to buy this from Dubai, this would be easily $3,000, $3,500. So we're saving some money. You know, I like to save money. I like these accent pieces too, these tables, very nice. Love this one. And we're gonna go downstairs and look at a few other ones. All right, we're going with the chairs over here. They're gonna be colored. And then we got a chess set.
I want this one.
Okay, we got this chess set over here. Looks really nice. Yeah, we got that one.
But these ones,
Well, that's it. We're gonna call it a day.